Well, it's a nice, warm February day. You know, it's kind of sunny out. Hopefully you having good weather where you at. But anyway, today's video is going to be on how to remove a Dodge Charger hood. We are rebuilding this Dodge Charger from the the ground up, I guess. It's mostly cosmetic, don't worry. So let's check this out. I'll show you how to remove this because you might be swapping your hood. So it's very simple to remove your hood. You can remove it from down here, but that messes your alignment up most of the time. So if you're just swapping hoods, you just need to remove here and here. And by looking at this, you can tell these have been off before. And before pulling this off, you can undo your clips right here. They just kind of press out. You can take your little one way and undo this latch, or you can unclip them, they pull out. This is for your windshield wipers right here. And some aftermarket hoods has them, some do not. They will pull out of these rubber things right here, or you can just pull them off all together, just like so, and then unclip them. And I guess that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'll figure out what size these are and let you know. So I went ahead, popped these out. You can see they just clip in. And these, oh, that's an aftermarket hood. Look at that. It's a 13 millimeter. It's the size of this. Spin it around here where you can see the size. 13 millimeter. Now I'm going to loosen these. Get somebody to help you, or stick you some pillows or something down here. You want to be gentle and not crack your windshield. Even though mine is done cracked, you know, you don't want to crack yours if it's not. So you got to be careful, because once you undo this hood, it will go pow. So be sure to support it while you're taking your bolts out. Now take your time, line your new hood up, close it gently, because sometimes aftermarket hoods don't line up the same way the factory did. That's how you remove the hood on your Dodge Charger. Video was super short. Hopefully you found it helpful. I'm going to get out here and try to make one on removing a fender now, because it needs it. Or I could just make it on the Civic car. It's in better shape. Probably the Civic car would be a better example on how to remove a fender. Just because it don't look like it's needing to go to the Grand Theft Auto pay and spray. Yep. You get that joke, do you? Thanks for watching.